Hey guys, Dr. Doug here, and this video today is to kind of teach you guys at home how to take a few simple pictures of your teeth if we need to check on your progress and you simply can't come into the office. So let's get started here. We're going to use any smartphone. We have an iPhone right here, which most of you have, and Gina's going to be our assistant here. So what we're going to do first is there's two ways to do this where you can either use spoons is a really great way to be able to pull your cheeks back. So I like to tell patients to use two plastic spoons, or for younger children or smaller mouths, you might just need to use two fingers. So we're going to demo both ways today with you. So let's come on over here. We're going to take our phone in a camera setting, okay? And Gina, I'm going to have you put the spoons in your cheeks so you can see she's pulling out her cheeks. You can see how she put those spoons in there, all right? And we're going to come right in. We're going to get close. We'll try to get the face outside the picture and only have the teeth. And we're going to take that picture right there, just like that, okay? So if we come over here, okay, you can see exactly what we want to see. All right, and that's a great frontal picture. So we're going to take 5 pictures we're going to show you how to take, which are the basic ones. But that's the first one, okay? So what I want you to do now is we're going to demo just using your fingers. So I'll take your spoons from you, okay? And if you're, like I said, if you're a smaller individual, you have a small child, you can't always get the spoons in there. So we would do it in a way like this, and the picture will be taken the same way. All right, thank you. All right, so I'm going to give you your spoons back. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take a picture of the right side of biting down. Now the important thing to notice here too is that when you take the pictures, you want to be biting down fully. So let's put one side in right now. Okay. And so now we're going to have her pull back on this side. She's biting down on her back teeth, okay, which is really important. So always make sure you're biting down your back teeth. And again, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to get her face out of the picture. And I'm going to take it like that. So I don't want to be coming from the front of her mouth. I want to try to get from the side as much as I can, almost like a profile of the teeth. And we take that picture like that. And this is how it should look if you have a good picture. Again, make sure you're biting down all the way on your back teeth in your normal bite. All right, so let's try the other side. So now we're going to go to her left side. We're going to do the same thing. She's just going to turn her head this way. All right, I'm going to come around on this side. And again, a profile of the teeth is a nice way to say it. So we're taking a profile of the teeth. Just like that, okay? And again, that's our picture right there. That's what we want to see, where we can see all the back teeth there. All right, so now we have our 3 biting down pictures, okay? Now we want to do 2 more pictures, one of the top of the mouth, basically of the roof of your mouth of your top teeth, and we're going to take one of the bottom of your mouth of your bottom teeth. Now these obviously are going to open as wide as you can, okay? So let's try these now. We're going to come over here. All right, so now these, you don't need anything but your fingers. You're going to open up really wide. You're going to lift your head all the way back, and you're going to just hold your lip up a little bit. I'm going to come right onto here and get as close as you can again, and you can take that picture, just like that. Okay, so let's come over here and let's see what that one looks like. Okay, and there's that top of the mouth picture right there. Just 2 fingers holding the lip up so you can see the teeth. All right, so we're going to have one more, which will be the lower teeth now. All right, so same thing. She's going to open up. She's going to lift her bottom teeth down. We're going to come from above this time, right? So we're going to shoot down like this. We're going to get as close as we can to see all the teeth. And we're going to take it just like that. Okay. So we want to see what that one looks like. We have all the teeth in the picture, just like that. Great. All right. So just a few other tips. Obviously, if you're using your fingers, really clean fingers, clean hands, make sure they're freshly washed. If you're using the spoons, best one are the disposable ones to throw out. They tend to be smaller and not as hard if you're using metal ones. Also, it's a great idea to put your flash on. We're in an office where it's really well lit, so I did not use the flash. But at home, it's great if you use the flash on those pictures. Thanks for watching. Take some good pictures, and we'll see you next time in the office.